The method that I am going to teach you is called mental mathematics. So, this is a branch of mathematics where you can do the calculations in your head without writing or without even using any book or pen, let alone a calculator. So, for that, let me begin off with a special technique of multiplication which is utilized only for the numbers that contain nines. So, let us take one example, children. Let me say I am multiplying 23 by 99. Now, the answer that I am going to write will be direct. The answer is 2277. Now, if you want to do this by making use of normal method, then you have to go for 23 into 99 and then multiply 9 with 3, that gives me 27, carry 2. Next 9 with 2, that is 18 plus carry 2 gives me 20. Now, of course, we are going to use plus sign to indicate that this number is not usable now, and therefore, now we are going to get again 9 into 3, that gives me 27. Oh, sorry. And of course, carry 2, that gives me 20. So, the answer, children, we can see it is 2277, which is the same as that of this. Now, how did I do this? To understand that, we have to go for the first 2 digits present here. So, it is 23. Subtract 1 from that number, you are going to get, children, 22, which is the first 2 digits of the multiplication product. Next, what you have to do is that you have to take the first digit that I am marking here, that is 9, and subtract the first digit of the product from it. So, you are going to get 9 minus 2, that is 7. In the same manner, go for the second 9 and subtract the second digit of the product from it, you are going to get 7. So, the answer, children, for 2399 is 2277.